I am not good at marketing and selling. Have you ever heard someone say that or perhaps you said it yourself? Well, हम कई बार ये सुनते हैं. Everyone who is not in marketing and sales think I could never market or sell. Truth is, most people who are in marketing and sales secretly think the same thing. इसके पीछे एक reason है. Most of us look at sales backward. We may see it as convincing people to do something they don't want to do. But ऐसा नहीं है. It's about learning what people do want to do and helping them to do that. In fact, लोगों को तो ये भी लगता है कि सेल्स लोगों का फायदा उठाता है. लेकिन it's about giving other people more advantage. But the great upside down misconception about marketing and sales is that it is an effort to get something from others. लेकिन सच ये है कि sales at its best, that is, at its effective, is precisely the opposite. It is about giving. Selling is giving time, attention, counsel, education, empathy, and adding value. In fact, the word sell comes from the Old English word sellen, which means, you guessed it right, to give. Hey everybody, we are Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talent, and abilities into a career and business that works so that they can achieve peace of mind, financial freedom, and a career for life. एक नया प्रोडक्ट, एक नई सर्विस, एक नई कंपनी, एक नया डिवीजन, एक नई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, a new anything. Where there's a will, here's the way. शुरुआत होती है एक सपने से. That just won't quit. The once in a lifetime वो 440 का झटका. Thunderbolt of pure inspiration. The obsession, the world beater, the killer brand, the next big thing. जो कोई भी इस वर्ल्ड को बेटर प्लेस बनाना चाहता है is definitely possessed by a grand idea. But what does it take to turn your idea into action? आप चाहे एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, इंट्राप्रेन्योर या फिर एन एस्पायरिंग एक्सपर्ट, आपको मिलने वाली एडवाइसेस की कोई कमी नहीं होगी. Issues such as building a brand, defining your positioning, writing a business plan, recruiting, raising money, and from creating buzz to buzzing the competition. In fact, इतने सारे programs, books, articles, podcasts, websites that results to paralysis of analysis. Or else they focus on the wrong priorities and go broke before they discover their mistakes. Welcome to this comprehensive session on the art of starting, where we are going to learn how to build a successful career, brand and business with a great idea and be successful. इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करेंगे with an overview of top 5 strategies and most important things experts and entrepreneurs must accomplish, और फिर we will cover the first strategy in detail. बाकी 4 strategies आने वाले वीडियोस में कवर करेंगे. The top 5 strategies an expert and entrepreneur should learn to understand the art of starting their career, business and brand are: Number 1. What is EBM and how you can add massive value in order to launch your brand and simultaneously out-teach the competition. 2. How you can craft a style statement, also known as an elevator pitch, and why mission statements are boring and must be eliminated from the pitches. Number 3. How you can define your marketing strategy and what does the acronym VVVVVSUDV stands for. Number 4. Learn the art of pitching and which 8 components make a killer presentation and sales conversation so that customers run after you to pay money. And last but not the least, understand the art of positioning along with the very powerful mindset marketing. We know आइडियल प्रोग्राम की इस जर्नी में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि we are really getting to talk to you on the subject of marketing mastery. what we really want to do is emphasize on a couple of things, and then what we are going to do today is we are going to jump in and learn how do you market yourself as an expert, be it as a fashion designer, interior designer, event manager, animator, image consultant, life, career and business coach, or an eminent educationalist and entrepreneur. ये मॉड्यूल आपको आगे बताएगा what's the 5 most critical things you need to do to start on a strong foot and soon set yourself as a market leader in your industry and carve a niche for yourself. हम 3 बड़े concepts सीखेंगे. Then we'll teach you the art of pitching, which includes the 8 must-have components in any marketing message. And we are going to teach you what we call the art of positioning, which is about how to really grab the attention and the curiosity, the excitement, and ultimately the commitment of anybody that you are marketing to. हमें पता है कि इस जर्नी की शुरुआत चैलेंजिंग, स्कैरी और फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग भी होगी. ये जो जर्नी है, इट्स एन एक्सपर्ट जर्नी एंड कैन बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, जैसा कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योरल जर्नी हो सकती है. बट द फैक्ट दैट यू आर कमिटेड टू इट, दैट यू जॉइंड, दैट यू आर हियर सेज मोर अबाउट यू देन एनीथिंग एल्स. You know, we always say it's always the top 10% of people who ever actually take action. महज टॉप 10% लोग ही अपनी एजुकेशन कंटिन्यू करते हैं जिन्हें खुद पे भरोसा है. Because at this point, because you just signed up for this video series, we already know what's happening in your mind. There's 3 things that are going on in your life right now that says I am not sure about this video or this person or whatever. ये हर बार होता है. Let us begin by talking about where you are at. आपके माइंड में अभी क्या चल रहा है और आपकी लाइफ में भी, क्योंकि as you shall offer your products and services to the world, you shall always need to be mindful of these things. जब भी कोई आपका प्रोग्राम, प्रोडक्ट या फिर आइडिया परचेज करता है, these things always start happening for them and you need to address them. हम भी इन सारे concerns को address करना चाहते हैं in terms of you obviously enrolling for this video series, but also so that you can see and think about how you are going to talk to your customers after you learn the art of starting. That we are going to teach you after they buy your stuff, and then what's happening in their mind and how do you address that. We believe इस वक्त आपके साथ आपके लिए 3 चीजें हो रही हैं. डाउट ही वो पहली चीज है जो हर किसी के दिमाग में आती है एनी टाइम समवन बाइज योर प्रोडक्ट और enrolls in your program. That doubt is usually sounded like, well, can I really do this? Did I make a smart choice? Well, let us first begin by that. Yes, you can do this. इस प्रोग्राम की जर्नी में हम जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे, जैसे जैसे हम स्पेसिफिक होते जाएंगे, as we give you more and more tools and strategies to go, yes, you can do this. हम नहीं चाहते कि आप वो लोग बने जो कि ऐसे कोर्स में इनरोल करते हैं where they see an example of somebody and they say, well, sure, they can do it, because a lot of people will do that as we go through this program. They'll say, well, sure, Amit can make a 9-figure business that fast, but I couldn't. Or this person could do that because they are actually gifted in their way. अगर आपने खुद को भी कभी बोलते ऐसा सुना तो याद रखिए, it's you letting your small business make you small-minded. We never in our life, ever in our life, have seen someone do something and go, well, I can't do that. Never let doubt win. In our life, doubt never wins. We never go, yeah, that person could accomplish that because they are smarter or sleeker or richer. We believe if someone else can do it, then we can do it too. Especially in this world and in terms of marketing, our message or getting our training programs out there or getting people to attend our live cast or putting some information up online for purchase. We have seen everybody do that and make lakhs and crores, and we go, We know we can do that too. जिस टाइम पर आपने इस वीडियो सीरीज के लिए रजिस्टर किया, ये वो टाइम था जब आप भीड़ से अलग हो गए. Some people, when they start a program, they dabble. They fast forward the videos. They don't watch, they don't absorb, they don't learn. And then they go, well, I don't understand why you are getting results, but I am not. क्योंकि उन्होंने खुद पे उस लायक भरोसा नहीं किया. If you believe in yourself enough and you go through this program and implement the learnings, you will find obscene amount of change in your life and in your business. The second thing that's probably happening for you right now is, if the first one is doubt of yourself, sometimes you just need to get over that. Trust us, after you go through this video series, you will believe in yourself on a level you have never felt. Because you know where the belief comes from? Competence. If you know what to do, then you believe in yourself. Makes sense, right? दूसरा डाउट जो लोगों को होता है वो है दूसरों का डाउट. वो चाहे आपके पेरेंट्स हो या फ्रेंड्स या लव्ड वंस. मे बी आपसे कोई ये पूछ ले, You enrolled in what? You think you can be who? Who do you think you are? Where do you think you are going? What's this all about? And they are trying just to protect you. They are trying to make sure that you are okay. सच तो ये है कि ये लोग जो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आपका ख्याल रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, they are unknowingly holding you back, all because of their need to protect and care for you. They prevent you from seeing a bigger vision for yourself, and sometimes they just don't trust because maybe you haven't had good training before, or maybe you have made some bad decisions, or maybe something didn't go right and they got in condition in their mind to distrust. They got this condition in their mind to freak out. You have to overcome that. सब कुछ पॉसिबल है if you can dream big dreams. अपने ड्रीम पर भरोसा रखो and then go after them with all that is within you. Founder and chairman of IDL, Amit, went through the same. जब उन्होंने पहली बार डिसाइड किया to move from Nagpur to Pune to follow his dreams to inspire and instruct students. उनके फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स ने उनसे कहा that he has lost his mind as he stood at the door and watched him walk those 100 long steps to the old broken down car. They laughed because they knew that the car was on its last legs and all he had was 27 rupees in the savings bank account. They said, "You must be insane. You are going to leave your safe and secure father's family business because you have got a dream." You want to do what? You want to be an educationalist? You want to start your own training academy so that you can help teenagers and youth to become a highly paid expert and achieve name, fame, money? You want to create training programs? You want to be great? Stop dreaming. Get real. You don't even have enough money to fix your car. जैसे जैसे उनके कदम आगे बढ़ते गए, you could hear them laughing louder and louder. The farther he walked, the louder they laughed. The last thing we heard them say was, "He'll be back. He will be back. Ha! He will be back." Well, they were right. He did go back, but this time he returned as an eminent educationalist and entrepreneur, having won 14 consecutive national and international awards and recognitions, making about 30 times as much as when he left. In just a short years, how Amit has transitioned from a franchisee to becoming a franchisor, and now the founder and chairman of his own academies, and have a team of 100 plus passionate souls working with him on full-time basis, and another couple of 100 of them on freelance basis, and a beautiful office. We had successfully placed over 14,000 plus students in the past decades and have helped them to make a mark in their respective career. Did the awards, staff, or money make him a success? No. They were just the byproducts of the learning the recipe of success. What's that? What was the key? What was the main ingredient? What was the thing that kept him from turning around and listening to his friends and relatives? What kept him believing from believing his friends and relatives and made him step out all by himself? What was the thing that was essential to his success? What was it? The learnings and lessons from all these 14 plus years of experience is shared with all of you in this Indian Design League's High Performance Influencer Comprehensive Training Program. सच तो यही है, he said, I'm not going to let anyone hold me back. लोगों के डर को अपने डर का हिस्सा मत बनाओ. So many people are going to say, who do you think you are? What right do you have? Or how do you think you can do that? Well, they don't have the training that you have at your fingertips right now. इस प्रोग्राम के साथ आप कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव ट्रेनिंग हासिल करेंगे और साथ ही इतने कॉम्पिटेंट बन जाएंगे that you are going to be in the top 10% of this. We know. Supposedly, we are in the top 10% and we are teaching you everything we know. Do not let the doubters or the haters or the people who box you leave you boxed in. तीसरा कंसर्न जो हम एड्रेस करना चाहते हैं वो है if you doubt yourself and other people might doubt you. You also might be at this point where you are doubting us or you are doubting our program. All we can say about that is go through the whole thing. Give us the benefit of doubt. Trust the process. Follow the sequence. Some people say, well, I watched the first video and I just kind of skimmed through because I want to jump to the stuff where it really gets tangible and technically driven. You know, what if you have the methodology and the techniques, but you don't have the mindset? What's it all for? Trust us. Go through each of the videos as we send them to you. That will serve you and blow you away. We have built this whole training so that you are empowered to go away and do this stuff. But you have got to go through it. That's why all our programs are covered with 100% money back guarantee offer. Our unconditional guarantee at Indian Design League. We stand behind our programs 100%. If you decide for any reason within 30 days of joining that your Indian Design League 12-module online program, be it fashion design, interior design, your life vision, event management, high performance influencer or any other program, अगर आपको लगता है that it is not for you, simply send us an email within 30 days and you get an unconditional, hassle-free refund of all of your money. पर इसके साथ ही you lose access to all these beautiful comprehensive videos. Anyhow, if you apply for refund or don't, we'll always remain good friends for life. As an initial thought, everyone we have ever met has an uneasiness with the making or keeping money. Volumes could be written about why we need stability and certainty in our financial lives, especially more now in the post-COVID-19 era. Instead, let us share with you this simple thought. If people spend as much time worrying about how to make a difference as they do about how they could make money, then they would soon find themselves rich beyond belief. You can simply have an extraordinary lifestyle and business simply by sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. When a student joins in for let's say a design career, initial level का तो नहीं पता, लेकिन हाँ 6 महीने के अंदर ही ये स्टूडेंट रियलाइज कर लेता है कि उसको जॉब करनी है या फिर बिजनेस. ऐसे ही एक स्टूडेंट ने फैशन डिजाइनिंग कोर्स के टाइम पर ही एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की क्लासेस शुरू कर दी. To understand how feasible the option is. ट्रेनिंग शुरू होने के पहले he was not very confident क्योंकि उसे लगा कि लोगों को कन्विंस करना उसके बस की बात नहीं. But 2 classes के बाद ही the magic happened. He realized that you don't have to convince people to buy something they don't want. No, you just need to educate your prospects. जैसे ही नजरिया बदला, रास्ते खुद ब खुद बदलते चले गए. And today, he isn't just a fashion designer, but also a proud fashion entrepreneur. And there are so many countless examples like this, which we can share with you from various fields, like fashion design, interior design, event management, animation, and so on and so forth. You remember, there was a time when we were flooded with different kinds of door-to-door sales executives trying to sell their product. बट हम सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों से बात करते थे, वो लोग जो हमें एजुकेट करते थे अबाउट हाउ टू यूज अ वैक्यूम क्लीनर टू क्लीन योर कारपेट, about the importance of an encyclopedia, or about how to wash a particular kind of product. You know, nobody cares until there is something to learn from. So, let us share a classic case study with all of you. And this is the same case study that was discussed with the student who was confused at the beginning of his journey when he joined us for an entrepreneur course. But within a couple of sessions, he became happy and confident. One of the largest carpet cleaning companies with 30,000 clients was finding their efforts to get a new client becoming less and less effective over the years. Any business owner listening to this has probably noticed the same problem. Although the company wanted to gain more clients, the first probable solution was to find out whether it has maximized the clients it already had. So a survey was done to find out how often his current clients bought from the company. What came out was shocking. The existing customers bought only once about every 3 years. The company sent out coupons and discounts frequently, but the numbers didn't change. Like nearly every company in the world that sells carpet cleaning, this company was saying, we clean X square feet of carpeting for Y dollars. But every company can dramatically strengthen its sales and marketing materials by educating their prospects and clients. Basis the research and inputs, here's the new marketing strategy that was incorporated by this carpet cleaning company to grow sales. They created education-based marketing campaign with the following information in it, and further made their existing customers and clients aware of it. Camping, your carpets act like a giant health filter, capturing dust, dirt, bacteria, pollen, dust mites, their waste, and the bacteria that feed on it. Government studies have shown that when you remove carpets from houses and buildings, people get sick 4 times more often. But like any filter, your carpets become saturated and ineffective over time, creating a need for a professional quality cleaning. And even vacuuming every day does not kill bacteria embedded in the carpet. It further revealed that professional carpet cleaning actually gets carpets 1500% cleaner than even vacuuming every day. The steaming hot water used by professionals kills germs and bacteria that build up in your home. This is an example of how education-based information can motivate purchasing when people might not even feel they need the product. Product data like we sell carpet cleaning only appeals to people who think they need their carpets cleaned right now. The goal of most people when they get their carpets clean is to get them look better. Little do people realize that it makes their home healthier. This puts cleaning your carpets on the same level of importance as taking the kids for their yearly checkup. Here's a company that has actually gone beyond product data to study every aspect of carpet cleaning, right down to the government studies about the cleanliness of your air quality within the home. As the result, sales grew overnight. When company offered carpet cleaning services to its existing clients, 2 out of every 10 people bought it. If you have 30,000 clients buying once every 3 years, that's about 10,000 sales per year. Now imagine a mere 20%, that is an extra 6,000 of them buying their service every year. What does that do for this business? It's an enormous increase in sales. So friends, what's in it for your client? How can you add massive value in their life? In this video, we are going to talk in detail about what is EBM and how you can add massive value in your client's life in order to launch your brand and simultaneously outteach your competition. And we want to start with a big picture over with you here. A very simple thing for you to know and understand. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो शुरुआत में ही घबराने लगते हैं, especially when you start talking about marketing because maybe they have never done any marketing before. They get a little concerned and start thinking, well, I won't be able to get my creativity and brand out there. Also, there's this another group of people who think they understand marketing, but in reality, they don't. As you continue watching this video, we invite you to take on the beginner's mind, even if you think you know what marketing is. It's very possible you glean something new and important from the perspective we offer. Education-based marketing philosophy. We'd like to begin by offering you an absolute critical foundational philosophy for understanding the principles of marketing mastery, and hereby encourage and invite you to have it inform all of your marketing and promotional efforts. In other words, आप जो भी encounter करने वाले हैं वो है नंबर 1 ओवरआर्चिंग स्ट्रैटेजी, जिसे हम रिकमेंड करते हैं कि आप अपने हर मार्केटिंग पीस पर अप्लाई करें, वेदर इट बी अ वेबसाइट, सेल्स वीडियो, ब्रोशर, बिजनेस कार्ड, बिलबोर्ड, होर्डिंग, कॉर्पोरेट प्रेजेंटेशन, सेल्स पिचेस और बियॉन्ड. What is this philosophy and why is it the most essential orientation to have, especially in today's world, to build your career and brand? Let's find out. The philosophy we are referring to is called education-based marketing. We call it EBM for short. EBM वो marketing है जो educate करती है. ऐसी marketing जो पहले value offer करती है before your potential clients gives you even a single penny. Why does EBM works? In a word, trust. जब आप किसी को एजुकेशन देते हैं, when you teach something that solves a real world problem in someone's life, a problem currently keeping them up at night, आप इंस्टेंटली एक इमेंस अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करते हैं उस इंसान के साथ. और ट्रस्ट ही तो फाउंडेशन है हर रिलेशनशिप का. इट डजंट मैटर इफ इट इज अ रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप, अ फ्रेंडशिप, अ बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप और द पोटेंशियल लाइफ लॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन यू एंड योर क्लाइंट. EBM allows you to become, in the eyes of your potential clients, what we call a trusted advisor and consultant. We want to reassure you and remind you of, as we begin all this, that in the expert space, the best way to build trust and add massive value is always teaching. Marketing is always teaching in the expert space. ये इतना सिंपल इसलिए है क्योंकि you just teach your prospective something, add value to them, change their life, change their career by giving them a new methodology, a new mindset, a new insight, a new tool, something that changes them. Because you give them that, then ultimately you say, if you like it, I've got this other thing. Don't be concerned as I get into marketing. You just have to be a great salesperson. Marketing is just teaching. I'm sorry, I don't get it. Gautam confessed. That sounds like a recipe for bankruptcy. It's almost like you're trying to avoid making money. Not at all. Amit waggled one finger. Does it make money? Is not a bad question. It's just a bad first question. First, you have to add value, massive value. आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर सकते हैं, आप सेल्स पर्सन हायर कर सकते हैं, आप इवेंट्स स्पॉन्सर कर सकते हैं, बट योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. तो फिर आप उनसे बेहतर कैसे हुए? हाउ विल यू स्टैंड आउट? Instead of trying to outspend, outsell or outsponsor competitors, try to outteach them. Teaching के बारे में आपके competitors सोच भी नहीं रहे होंगे, क्योंकि ज्यादातर businesses फोकस करते हैं on selling और servicing, लेकिन teaching के लिए कोई नहीं सोचता. Gary, who owns a large wine shop, teaches people about wine online at Wine Library TV, and tens of thousands of people watch every day. Teach and you'll form a bond you just don't get from traditional marketing tactics. Buying people's attention with a magazine or online banner ad is one thing. Earning their loyalty by teaching them forms a different connection. They'll trust you more, they'll respect you more. Even if they don't use your product or services, they still can be your fans. Teaching is something individuals and small companies can do, but bigger companies can't. बड़ी कंपनीज वर्ल्ड कप फिनाले के लिए एडवर्टाइज कर सकती हैं, लेकिन आप नहीं. बट यू कैन अफोर्ड टू टीच, एंड वो ये कभी नहीं करने वाले, क्योंकि बड़ी कंपनीज हमेशा सीक्रेसी पर बिलीव करती हैं, शेयरिंग पर नहीं. Everything at those places has to get filtered through a lawyer and go through layers of red tape. Teaching is your chance to outmaneuver them. Building raving fans. All companies have customers. Lucky companies have audience. But the most fortunate companies have raving fans. Raving fans can be your secret weapon. A lot of businesses still spend big bucks to reach people. Every time they want to say something, they dip into their budgets, pull out a huge wad of cash and place some ads. लेकिन ये अप्रोच एक्सपेंसिव भी है और अनरिलायबल भी. As they say, you waste half of your ad budget. You just don't know which half. Today's smartest people and brands know better. लोगों के पीछे भागने से better है you want the prospects to come to you. A raving fan returns often on its own to see what you have to say. That's how you add massive value in your customer's life and build trust. This is the most receptive group of customers and potential customers you will ever have. How much would it cost you to reach 100,000 people every month the old-fashioned way? Hundreds of thousands. And how would you do it? Running ads, buying radio spots, sending couriers, giving newspaper advertisements? जब आप education based marketing philosophy follow करेंगे, when you add massive value and build trust and in the process create raving fans, तो आपको लोगों का attention खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं होती. They give it to you. This is a huge advantage. So build trust, add massive value, teach, speak, write, blog, tweet, make videos, share and whatever. Share information that's valuable and you will slowly but surely build raving fans. Then when you need to get the word out, the right prospects will already be listening. Don't just sell, educate them. Don't feel disheartened, educate yourself. The world is indeed full of opportunity. You just need to believe in it. Take a moment और अपनी लाइफ में उस शख्स के बारे में सोचिए जिन्हें आप ट्रस्टेड एडवाइजर मानते हो. This person could be a friend, colleague, teacher, or a family member. Got someone in mind? I often think of my dear friend and business partner. His name is Amar, and I consider him to be one of my primary trusted advisor. Now, how do you feel when you think of your trusted advisor? We feel happy, supported, and loved. If you are anything like us, your trusted advisor is a person you like, listen to and feel warm about when you bring them to mind. Also, when they offer you sincere, heartfelt advice, you follow it, often without question. क्यों ना आप भी अपने potential clients के trusted advisor बने, वो भी instantly? Wouldn't it be wonderful if when they brought your name and face to mind, they had the same kinds of warm feelings? जब आप अपने potential clients को अपने marketing से educate करते हैं, you instantly become a trusted advisor to them, and warm feelings towards you will start to flow. What else is cool? True trusted advisor bypass the sale process because of their status. They simply make a recommendation and people follow it.